It's 2026, and the business world is caught in a massive illusion. Despite companies investing billions of dollars in AI, macro scale productivity statistics are still stagnant. Nobel laureate economist Robert Solow's famous quote about the IT revolution applies to AI today. What did he say? We see the computer age everywhere, but not in the productivity statistics. The fundamental reason for this is the AI paradox. Businesses are adding AI as a patch to their clunky and bureaucratic 20th century work processes. Scientifically, this is a linear scaling error in an exponential world. What is it? If you accelerate a broken process with AI, you can only maximize your errors and cost losses. The business world has been managed with a linear logic for centuries. Step A follows step B. Vertical hierarchies maintain the chain of command. However, AI is inherently an exponential thing. The entropy of existing systems is not enough to digest this new layer of intelligence. A true metamorphosis begins not by changing tools, but by recoding the architecture as AI native. We call this the Marcus model. In this model, the business is not an org chart, it's an organism of data, autonomy, and strategic judgment. Let's look at the layers of the Marcus model. The first layer of the model is static autonomy. The static layer, the broadest base of the architecture, is the engine room of the business. Processes like data transfer, routine reporting, inventory management, and logistics tracking fall here. According to cognitive load theory, these tasks are a prison for human intelligence. In the Marcus model, this layer is 100% autonomy. A static layer freed from manual processes reduces the operational error margin by 94%. The goal here is to free human cognitive energy from this dungeon and move it to the upper layers. The second layer, dynamic orchestration. The middle layer is the decision theory area, where data is transformed into strategy. Here, AI simulates thousands of scenarios in seconds and suggests the most optimized path. The leader's role here is not as an executor, but as an approver. With the human-in-the-loop principle, AI's speed is combined with human intuitive judgment. This structure reduces decision speed from weeks to minutes, increasing market opportunity capture by 400%. Strategic summit, the third layer, that sacred space where humans truly make a difference. Vision, ethics, and empathy. When operational noise in the lower layers is cut, the leader spends 90% of their time at this summit. This is the center of intuitive strategies and long-term value creation, developed against unpredictable radical shifts that artificial intelligence cannot reach. At the beginning of 2026, the era of chatbots that only wait for commands came to an end. Today's winners are those who use agentic workflows. Even beyond that is using multi-agent systems. An autonomous orchestra where one agent performs market analysis, another manages risk, and a third takes action. This structure is not static software. It's a living, learning, and evolving autonomous operation layer, a high rate of return on investments. This is not a marketing promise. It's a mathematical certainty. In an AI native architecture, the cost per task is 50 times lower than traditional methods. Here's the formula. The real big multiplier is the elimination of opportunity cost. Focusing human intelligence freed from operations on innovation puts the company into an exponential, not linear, profit cycle. Of course, transformation doesn't happen overnight, but it yields concrete results in 90 days. First month, cognitive load analysis and process separation. Second month, multi-agent system pilot applications in a specific department. Third month, full architectural integration and scaling. The world is divided in two: those who think of AI as a tool and are crushed by it, and those who build it as an architecture and lead the future. Which side are you on? You must find an answer to this as soon as possible. The future will belong to those who design it, not those who wait.